Our bodies are incredible machines capable of remarkable self-healing. Hidden within each cell is a powerful process called autophagy. Autophagy acts as our body's internal recycling system, breaking down and removing damaged components. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health, fighting disease, and promoting longevity. Think of it like this. Imagine your cells as a house. Over time, dust, debris, and clutter accumulate. Autophagy is like a thorough cleaning crew that comes in, removes the junk, and leaves your house sparkling clean. This cellular cleaning process is crucial for preventing the buildup of harmful substances that can lead to various health issues, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. By understanding and harnessing the power of autophagy, we can unlock our body's natural healing potential and live healthier, more vibrant lives. One of the most effective ways to activate autophagy is through fasting. Fasting is not about deprivation. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion. This break allows your cells to focus on other essential tasks, including cleaning up and repairing themselves. When we eat frequently, our bodies are constantly busy digesting and absorbing food. This constant influx of nutrients prevents autophagy from fully activating. Fasting, however, creates an environment where the body shifts its focus from digestion to cellular repair. Think of it as a switch. When you eat, the digestion switch is flipped on, and autophagy is less active. When you fast, the digestion switch turns off, and the autophagy switch flips on. This shift in energy expenditure allows your body to initiate a powerful cleaning process, removing damaged proteins and cellular debris. Different fasting durations offer unique benefits, each tailored to specific health goals and needs. Here's a glimpse into the timeline of autophagy activation, a crucial process for cellular health and longevity. After approximately 8 hours without food, your body starts to deplete its glycogen stores, which is stored sugar, and begins to burn fat for energy. This marks the beginning of a significant metabolic shift. This metabolic shift is the first step towards activating autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. By 12 hours, autophagy starts to ramp up significantly, enhancing the body's ability to repair and rejuvenate itself. Your body begins to break down and recycle damaged cell components, promoting cellular rejuvenation and overall health. Research suggests that extending your overnight fast to 13 hours or more can have significant health benefits, including improved blood sugar control and reduced risk of chronic diseases. This simple adjustment can make a big difference. Longer fasts, such as 72 hours, can trigger a more dramatic increase in autophagy, leading to deeper cellular cleaning and repair. This extended period of cellular cleaning can have profound effects on overall health and longevity, potentially reducing the risk of age-related diseases and improving quality of life. It's important to note that these are general guidelines, and the optimal fasting duration may vary depending on individual factors such as age, health status, and lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your fasting routine. Embarking on a fasting journey can be both exciting and transformative. However, it can also be daunting if you're not prepared. Here are some practical tips to make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. If you're new to fasting, begin with shorter fasts, like 12 hours. This allows your body to gradually adapt to the new routine. As you become more comfortable, you can slowly increase the duration of your fasts. This gradual approach helps in minimizing any potential discomfort. Pay close attention to your body's hunger cues. While experiencing some hunger is normal and expected, severe discomfort, dizziness, or feeling unwell should not be ignored. These are signs that your body needs nourishment. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee during your fasting window. Staying hydrated is crucial for supporting your body's natural detoxification processes and maintaining overall health. Hydration helps in reducing hunger pangs and keeps you feeling refreshed throughout the day. When it's time to eat, choose nutrient-dense whole foods that will nourish your body and provide sustained energy. Focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid overeating or consuming processed foods, which can undo the benefits of your fast and lead to unwanted health issues. Processed foods often contain additives and preservatives that are not beneficial for your health. Remember, fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different fasting durations and schedules to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. The key is to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to ensure a successful and sustainable fasting journey. Supercharge your fast foods that enhance autophagy. While fasting is a powerful tool on its own, certain foods can further enhance its benefits. By incorporating these specific foods into your diet, you can maximize the positive effects of fasting and promote better cellular health. Here are 5 foods that can supercharge your autophagy and help you achieve optimal health. 1. Rich in polyphenols, green tea has been shown to promote autophagy and protect against cellular damage. Drinking green tea regularly can help your body cleanse itself more effectively. 2. Coffee, particularly black coffee, contains caffeine and other beneficial compounds that can stimulate autophagy. Starting your day with a cup of black coffee can give your metabolism a boost and support cellular renewal. 3. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with autophagy-enhancing properties. Adding turmeric to your meals can help reduce inflammation and support your body's natural detox processes. 4. Berries are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can support cellular health and enhance autophagy. Including a variety of berries in your diet can provide a delicious way to boost your overall health. And 5. Broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are rich in sulforaphane, a compound known to activate autophagy and protect against disease. These cruciferous vegetables are excellent additions to any meal for their health-promoting properties. Incorporating these foods into your diet, both during your eating window and after breaking your fast, can amplify the benefits of autophagy and support your overall health. By making these nutrient-dense foods a regular part of your meals, you can enhance your body's ability to repair and rejuvenate itself. Autophagy and disease, a new perspective. Emerging research suggests that autophagy may be crucial in preventing and managing various chronic diseases. By removing damaged cellular components, autophagy helps to clear out damaged mitochondria, which are a major source of inflammation in the body. Autophagy helps to eliminate intracellular pathogens, strengthening the immune system's ability to fight off infections. Autophagy may help to clear out misfolded proteins that are implicated in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed, these findings highlight the potential of autophagy as a therapeutic target for a wide range of health conditions. Fasting has gained significant popularity as a weight loss strategy. While it can be an effective tool for some, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Fasting can lead to weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake and promoting fat burning. Intermittent fasting, a popular form of fasting, can be a sustainable way to manage weight and improve metabolic health. Fasting is a magic bullet for weight loss. Sustainable weight management requires a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy lifestyle habits. It's essential to approach fasting for weight loss with realistic expectations and a focus on overall health and well-being. While fasting can be beneficial for many, it's not suitable for everyone. Potential side effects, though usually mild, can include headaches, fatigue, dizziness, irritability. These side effects are often temporary and can be minimized by staying hydrated and gradually increasing fasting durations. However, certain individuals should avoid fasting or consult with a healthcare professional before starting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, people with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or kidney disease. It's crucial to prioritize your health and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. While fasting is a powerful tool for activating autophagy, it's not a magic bullet. To experience the full benefits of this cellular process, it's essential to embrace a holistic approach to health that includes physical activity complements autophagy by promoting cellular turnover and reducing inflammation. Chronic stress can suppress autophagy. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal autophagy. By combining fasting with other healthy lifestyle habits, we can create a synergistic effect that optimizes our health and well-being. Unlocking your body's hidden power through fasting is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. By incorporating fasting into our lives mindfully and safely, we can tap into our body's remarkable ability to heal, rejuvenate, and thrive. Remember, it's not just about the absence of food, but the presence of awareness, intention, and a commitment to nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Embrace the power of fasting and embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.